my channel. So for those of you who don't know, my name is Maya, and for those of you who are returning subscribers, welcome back. So I'm sorry, I'm out of breath because I just ran up the stairs to get my oil. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we use the DIY growth oil that I showed you how to make in the last video. Alright guys, so without further ado, grab your oil and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to take out my hairpin, that way we can go ahead and get to the scalp so we can do a proper scalp massage. So a couple benefits to scalp massaging: it relaxes your scalp, making it easier for blood to flow. Also, it increases the blood flow to the scalp so that it can provide nourishment and condition the hair and provide moisture. So I like to kind of work my fingers through the central part of my hair, and then I move on to different areas. So I always start in the middle, and I then go up to the front and my edges. I also get the sides, and then I also turn my head upside down as well. That way I can get the back of my hair massage as well. So this is the first technique that I use with my growth oil. I also like to utilize a scalp massager, which I'll show you now. The scalp massager is so helpful because it has like vibrations on it, so it really does a good job of stimulating the scalp. So I love using the scalp massager, and I got this from Vanity Planet for like $20, I believe. Well guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming again. Stay tuned for new videos. Remember that God loves you and so do I. You are so beautiful. Thank you. Bye.